VIPs, how are y'all doing today? I hope it's a blessed one for you. So today I have a very exciting video. I am doing a collab with Miss NESSASUNSHINE here on YouTube. We decided to take it old school and do a look with the Modern Renaissance palette. I am so happy and blessed that I was able to do this collab with NESSA. NESSA, thank you so much. You guys, make sure you head over to her channel and you check her out. I don't know about y'all, but when I look for people to watch and people that I consider a friend, I look for somebody who is a big influence on my life and who inspires me not only to do better but to be better, and that is what NESSA is for me. So I really hope that that is what she can be for you also. So NESSA, again, thank you. So I will leave all her information down below. I will link her Instagram, I will link her video of our collab, and then I will also link her YouTube channel. So you guys head over, check her out. I would really appreciate it, and I know she would too. And if you head over that way, make sure you tell her that I sent you. It would mean the world to me. So guys, before we get into the video, as always, make sure you check the description box. You can follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down below. I would love for y'all to join the party and become one of my VIPs. Without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial and let's just see how I got this look. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do, I like to go in with my Benefit Professional Primer. I like to prime my eyes with this first before I put my primer on or my concealer, and this really helps with my aging eyes. So I just like to rub this in. It helps with the wrinkles. So now that I have that base down, I will go in and clean up my brows, and then I will just take the rest of it and brush it down for the base. So once I let it dry for a minute, I will actually go in and I will blend it out with a sponge. I will then go in and set it with some RCMA No Translucent powder. We want to make sure everything is set in place and we have no wrinkles. So now that the basic base is on and set, I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange first. This is going to be our transition shade. And I'm just going to go in with a Morphe M518 all above my crease, bringing it all the way into the inner corner and also down into my outer edge. Okay, so now we're going to jump into the orange shade. This is the color Real Guard. To take a Sigma E25 blending brush, pack from the tape right above the crease in stamping motions, you can get some pigment. After that, we will blend this up just a little bit in little circular motions, and then we're going to stamp. Stamping, blend it up. You can stamp it up, or you can do little circular motions, just blend. I'm also going to take the rest of what's left into my outer corner. The next shade that I'm going to jump into is going to be Red Ochre, which is this pretty brick shade. I'm taking a Juvia's Place 007 Pro blending brush. I'll do the exact same, just packing this on but keeping it a little bit lower into the crease. With this, I will just gently stamp it to blend, and then I will flip my brush over to the clean side, slightly stamp in very slightly circular motion. Going with what's left on the Sigma brush from the Real Guard color, I will take that again and put some warmth back up into it, slightly blending it out just a little bit more. Now we're going to go into Cypress Umber, which is this dark brown shade, and I'm going in with a small tapered blending brush. It's an E45 Sigma. I'm going to just pack this on my outer corner, and I want to keep it with a straight line, and then when it's all blended, slightly take it in right above where we're going to cut the crease. Now going in with a clean blending brush, MAC 286, I'm going to go in and gently blend all of this together so we have no harsh line. I will now go in and cut my crease. I'm using the Alamar brush that came in the September BoxyCharm. I will then go in and set this with that Tempera shade, which is the lightest shade in the palette. Now going in with Morphe E46, I'm going to take that deep brown color again and really pack this on this outer corner. I will start to blend this into the concealer. Now for the inner shade, I'm going to go in with Primavera. I will spray my brush. You can spray it with water, you can spray it with Fix Plus. You can spray it with whatever you please. I'm going in with a Morphe M170. We'll go in and blend this in with the dark shade. We're gonna do a little wing here, and this is the Fenty Fly Liner. So when I come back, I will be full faced, and we will finish off the lower lash line. Okay, y'all, so I'm back full face. I know, I look totally different. Now we're gonna finish up the lower lash line. For lipstick, I went in with ColourPop. This is Ultra Matte in Speed Dial. And then I put the Gloss Bomb on top of it from Fenty Beauty. And then for my lashes, I went in with Lily Lashes in Erica. We love a dramatic lash. Now to finish up the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with my Alamar Cosmetic liner brush, and I'm gonna dig into Cypress Umber, which is that dark brown color that we used. And I'm going to tight line my lower lash just about halfway. Okay, after that I'm going in with my E36, and I'm gonna take that red ochre shade, and then I'm really just going to blend this out. Okay, and then for brow bone highlight, we're gonna go in with the Smashbox. This is the Spotlight palette in Pearl, and I'm gonna take this golden light shade here, and we're gonna use this as an inner corner, and then also on the brow bone. Okay, y'all, so that wraps up the tutorial. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. My wings did get a little bit out of control, but you know, sometimes we just can't help it. Sometimes it just keeps growing and growing and growing, and we can't do nothing with it. So that's what happened with me, and I was not about to restart this look all over again. So you guys, I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to go check out Nessa Sunshine. You guys, she is so talented. I promise you do not want to miss her channel or her Instagram. So you guys go make sure you follow her. So make sure to check the description box down below for all the goodies and the scriptures and everything that I have for y'all down there. You can also follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked in the description box. And also, I would love for y'all to join the party before leaving and become one of my very important people, one of my VIPs. Don't forget to spread love and kindness, because you may be the only Jesus that somebody sees today. So I love y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.